Hello everyone, how to do so back with another new video. In this video I will introduce an app. It's called Pickup Lines Flirt Message. So you can download and install this app from Google Play Store and Apple Store. So you can see the rating of the app 4.5 out of 5 and 18k reviews, 16 megabyte size of the app, and 1 million plus people already use this app. So largest collection of sweet, chasey flirting, pickup lines and flirting messages. So if you want to see the main feature, start success dating. So do you have a name or can I call you mine? So if you really want to flirt with someone and if you want to get the takes, then you can get through this way, like use unique pickup lines like clever, dirty, romance, bad, cute. So you'll get here, you can get idea from this flatten chat. So there are a lot of flatting text here and people said it's really good. It's good app. I could secretly do the pickup lines on my boyfriend, but anyways, this game is the best, somewhere funny. So if you really want to get it, then you can use it. So it's really fun and it's really easy to use. It's just 16 megabyte. So just install button, then you can use it. So okay friend, today's normal and see you in the next video.